So very simply, Senator Pat Roberts filed a candidate's declaration of intention to seek the office of United States Senator for Kansas. Filed that with Office of Secretary of State on May 2nd, 2014. Subsequently, on May 7th, 2014, the following objections were received by the Kansas Secretary of State's office. Objections to the candidacy of Senator Roberts.
Regardless of your choice of terms, residency, the inhabitants, Senator Roberts has been perpetrating a sham on the citizens of Kansas who have trusted him all these years, ever since he first ran for Congress in 1980 from a vacant lot with a mailbox in front. We do not need sophistry from lawyers. We do not need the wisdom of Solomon. We have an existing agency of the Kansas state government that has rules that clearly establish that under the existing situation, the senator would not qualify. I stand for questions. From
any court case supporting your position?
I refer you back to the original wording, which, as opposing counsel has previously stated, is perfectly clear to any who shall read.
You say you want law, but you have no law to cite.
We do not need sophistry from case law, sir. We have the Constitution. The man has perpetrated this for 34 years since he was first elected, and only now, when he has a real opponent, has he seen fit to take feeble, thoroughly, transparently false efforts to reestablish legitimacy here in the state. Gentlemen, you will arrive at a decision. Come August, the voters of Kansas will have their opportunity should you fail to do the right thing here.
Clearly, Senator Roberts is a qualified individual to be on the ballot. He clearly is qualified. While residency issues don't go into that debate, I want to be clear on the record here today. Absolutely no uncertainty about it. Senator Roberts qualifies as a resident of the great state of Kansas. He is a resident. The measure, the test is different, but he satisfies the qualifications clause of the United States Constitution. He does both of those things, even though the founders designed it so that only one of them is controlling. And that is what is controlling in this case. And last, I'd like to, on behalf of Senator Roberts, thank you for the time to be heard today. Of course, he would have liked to have been here in person, but as you know, the statute requires you to set this hearing very rapidly and without regard to the schedules of other individuals. And Senator Roberts is in D.C. today. Senate is in session. In fact, he's probably casting a vote now or will be casting a vote soon on behalf of all of Kansas. So he does send this thank you and is appreciative that you have taken the time to conduct this hearing today. And we look forward to hearing your decision. Thank you.
The issue before the board is whether to take the matter up, take the matter under advisement or vote now. Discussion by the board.
I'm ready to vote, but if folks need time, that's
I would say, Mr. Chairman, that in my view, the objections are without a sufficient basis in law. Therefore, I would move to deny the objections and issue a written order articulating the reasons for the denial within 7 business days.
second one.
Motion and a second. Board will vote.
Aye.
Aye. That concludes this hearing. Do I have a motion to adjourn?
So moved.
We are adjourned.